Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bahria College's PNAT. I am Salima Raza, your chemistry teacher, class 10 Federal. The chapter is Organic Chemistry. It is our sixth lecture of chapter 11. Topic: Functional group and functional group containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, students will be able to define functional group containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Functional group containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Dear students, alcohol are characterized by the presence of hydroxyl group attached to a hydrocarbon. Its general formula is ROH, where R is showing alkyl group and OH is hydroxyl group. Alcohol are classified as monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric based on number of OH group present in the molecule. Here you see a monohydric alcohol in which methane is attached with a OH group, which is called methyl alcohol. Monohydric alcohols are further subdivided into primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. As you see in the given example, in primary alcohol the OH group is attached with primary carbon, that is carbon that contain at least 2 hydrogen atoms. In second example, you can see the alcohol is attached with secondary carbon, that is carbon that contain only 1 hydrogen, so it is called secondary alcohol. In tertiary alcohol, you can see that OH group is attached with tertiary carbon, that is carbon that does not contain any hydrogen atom present in tertiary alcohols. When alcohol or hydroxyl group is attached to a benzene ring, it is called phenol. Phenols are classified as monohydric, dihydric and trihydric based on the number of OH group present in the aromatic ring. As you have seen that there is a monohydric phenol is present in phenol in the form of phenol or benzophenol. Also be attached to a phenol ring by releasing 1 hydrogen atom from the ring. So you can see that phenol chloride or chlorophenol is present here. Nitrophenol and dinitrophenol can also be formed by the releasing of 2 number of hydrogen from phenol ring. Ether are organic compound that have 2 alkyl group attached to same oxygen. These compounds have linkage carbon, oxygen and carbon. You can see here that oxygen is attached with 2 alkyl groups. The alkyl group can be same or can be different. So we can say that ether is subdivided into 2 groups. One is symmetrical ether or simple ether. The second one is unsymmetrical and mixed ether. In symmetrical ether, when similar alkyl group are attached to oxygen atom, the ether is called symmetrical or simple ether, as you see in first example diethyl ether, in which both side of oxygen is attached same group. But in other 2 examples, you can see that different alkyl groups are attached to oxygen atom. The ether is called unsymmetrical or mixed ether. You can see in the example that in third case, the oxygen is attached with 1 methyl and 1 ethyl group. So it is an unsymmetrical or mixed ether. In second example, 2 valencies of carbonyl group is satisfied by hydrogen atom and other by carbon atom, which is called acetaldehyde. In third example, you can see that 2 valencies of carbonyl group is satisfied by 1 hydrogen atom and the other by alkyl group, which is called ethyl. Now we will see ketones. Ketones are the group in which carbonyl group is attached on both sides with alkyl group, and both the valencies of carbonyl group are satisfied by carbon atom. Here you see that in acetone, both the valencies of carbon atom is carbonyl atom satisfied with 2 alkyl group, and in second case you can see that both the valencies of carbonyl group is satisfied by one carbonyl group and the other one is aromatic ring. So it is called acetophenone. Slide number 9, carboxylic acids. Organic compound containing carbonyl group are called carboxylic acid. A carboxyl group is a combination of carboxylic acids. Dear students, organic compound containing carboxyl group are called carboxylic acids. A carboxyl group is a combination of carbonyl group and hydroxyl group. They have a general formula CnH2nO2 and type formula RC double bond OH, which means R is for alkyl group and C double bond OH is called carboxylic group. I have shown here comparison of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic group. You can see here that in all of the functional group, carbonyl group is present. But if you see in aldehyde, carbonyl group is attached from one side with alkyl group but from the other side with hydrogen. In ketone, you can see that carbonyl group is attached from both sides with alkyl group, and in carboxylic group you can see that carbonyl group is attached from one side with alkyl group and from other side with alcohol. So you can differentiate in these three groups with the help of this examples of carboxylic acid. Here I have shown some example of carboxylic acid. You can see here that in all carboxylic group, one carbonyl and the other hydroxyl group is present with red color, and I want to represent the carboxylic acid with red color so you can distinguish easily with other groups. Home task: do self-assessment 11.6, 11.7 and 11.8 for practice. Dear student, today my topic is completed. We will meet in our next lecture. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz and thank you.